Hey, it's Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to take a look at some of the coolest cases for the iPad mini 6. So without further ado, let's roll the video. We all know that Apple's iPad mini 6 is so far the most handy and worth-coping small iPad ever made. To take the level of the way you carry your iPad mini even further, for today's video our friends at ESR GEAR have sent some of the hot selling cases and glass protector for the iPad mini to review. And before I forget, links to all the accessories that will be shown during the video will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Along with the cases for the iPad mini, ESR GEAR also sent me the glass screen protector for the iPad. A fun fact about this is that in the box you get is 2 glass screen protectors, so just in case if you mess up with one, there's always one in backup. With 2 glass screen protectors, in the box you get is the alignment frame and 2 cleaning kits that's absolutely needed. Applying the protector is really easy. All you need to do is first clean the screen of the iPad with a microfiber cloth, then attach the alignment frame to the iPad. Before you apply the protector, you need to make sure that the screen is debris free. And for that, you can use the dust removing sticker to remove the leftover dust on the screen. Once done, just simply apply the screen protector. Make sure that you take your time, because if you're going to do it in a hurry, you might make a mistake. Overall, I have to admit the fact that the screen protector is really good and feels smooth. Even while using the Apple Pencil, I felt that the pencil was gliding across the screen smoothly, which is what I wanted. The Rebound hybrid case by ESR GEAR is so far the most innovative case for the iPad mini that I've ever seen. It might look like a normal protective case with a transparent back unless and until I tell you the fact that the case is a detachable one. On detaching the front cover part of the case will remain as protective as it was before, and what's nice is the fact that if you want to play games on your iPad mini or say write notes on it while holding it in your hand, you can make use of the detachable feature. The SN Trifle case for the iPad mini is a pretty strong magnetic case that supports 2 stand modes, that's viewing and writing mode. Along with that, the case looks slim and feels light in weight, and what's nice is the fact that the case is scratch and fingerprint resistant. In terms of cutouts, the case comes with precise cutouts and even supports 2nd gen Apple Pencil. To secure the Apple Pencil, there's a magnetic clasp that folds over the Apple Pencil and even keeps the case closed. ESR GEAR's Rebound magnetic case is a case that you need to protect your iPad mini from the daily wear and tear. Since the case is a magnetic one, attaching the iPad onto the case is really easy, and the magnets you get with this one is pretty strong. The detachable magnetic feature is a really good one, as it can be removed and reattached so that it can be folded into a stand that supports multiple viewing angles needed for reading, viewing and even writing. And other than that, the case is slim, light in weight, and also is comfortable enough to be carried around. With the ability to attach the Apple Pencil, the case becomes an everyday carry case for the iPad mini. So with that being said, this is Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.